We're here at IGEL Disrupt in San Jose, and I'm speaking with Dizzion. Can you tell us a little bit about the company and how you work with IGEL?
Sure. Dizzion is an end-user cloud platform. We focus in on what we call cloud-delivered desktops, which are essentially desktops that range from one-time use desktops all the way to high-end graphics desktops. And then we layer around tools that all end users need. So whether that's identity management, file sharing, streaming applications. So think of Dizzion as kind of a one-stop shop for anything end user related, but we do everything from the cloud.
So I understand you're doing a talk here. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're going to be presenting?
Yeah, so one of the things that we partner with IGEL on is our endpoint solution, which is what we call zLink. So our zLink powered by IGEL is kind of the last mile. It's how do we help our customers kind of adopt desktop as a service or cloud delivered desktops or end user cloud platform, whatever you want to call it, faster. And really the last mile is, what do you do with those endpoints? And what we partnered with IGEL about 2 years ago now is going after kind of that last mile and helping customers kind of rapidly adopt a secure endpoint, which is of course IGEL. Now, what we're going to be talking about today in our talk is really how we've used IGELs to go after work at home opportunities. So many of our customers want to go into work at home, expand past their four walls, if you will, and go out there and go to where talent is. So we've got a program that allows our customers to go out and find qualified employees, send them a UD Pocket, boot up their personal PC, and have a PCI compliant, HIPAA compliant, SOC compliant connection from their endpoint using BYOD to our virtual desktops in the cloud.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So have you seen a lot of growth in the EUC market and adoption of VDI?
Yeah, EUC is blowing up, and it's finally the year of the VDI. Is what we're saying. So a lot of players are getting into it. A lot of mainstream, folks like AWS, folks like Azure, which is really helping the market, kind of grow, because now we're past that, early adopter. Now it's kind of mainstream, and I think more and more companies are seeing the value of going and taking their data from the endpoint and putting it into the cloud, into a data center, into a secure perimeter, if you will. So the adoption rates are going up higher. I think companies like IGEL are helping solve that endpoint problem, is really facilitating that growth. And we're just going to see more and more of it. The technology is getting there. Things like high-end GPU, which NVIDIA is doing, and those are all our partners that are helping kind of making the cloud-delivered desktop more like a PC experience. And the more the technology and bandwidth and things of that nature kind of prevail out there, the more people are going to say, hey, this just makes sense. I'm going to get out of the desktop business and I want to take kind of all that stuff to the cloud and just focusing on my business and not deal with patching and pushing out applications and things of that nature.
Right. So where can people go if they want to find out more about Dizzion and what you guys are doing?
Yeah, www.dizzion.com is a funny name, DIZZION.com. And we've got tons of content and videos that kind of tell our story, specifically around the zLink. If you want to understand more about IGEL, our zLink video kind of talks about the old way of doing PCs and the new way with our zLink product line. So thank you for having me.
Yeah, it was a pleasure speaking with you.